All right, so children, the time now is 11 o'clock. Let's begin lesson. All right, for students who don't know me, my name is Ben Ong. All right, Ben Ong, lead math teacher from 88 Tuition. Welcome. All right, so if you watch the e-learning videos, right, that's actually me for the math. All right, but sometimes you watch science, right, that's my twin brother, Fen Ong. All right. So as you can see, these 13 questions, right, is actually from your PSLE book. And these are real questions. This is the real standard of your PSLE, just to let you know. Some of you, right, are doing standard that is above the PSLE. Wow, this particular school paper, so difficult, I don't understand. That is correct. All right. So you must understand that your school level is this level. Look at my hand. Right? Your school level is this level. All right. And the PSLE is actually around the same level. But some of you, right, are doing the school paper, right, which is this level on top. All right. Can you see not? And my head down here. All right. So your school level and the PSLE is in the same level. But because you want to practice more, we are doing questions, other past exam paper from that level. So other questions might be a little bit more difficult. That is normal. That is normal. All right. And I did tell you before that 85% of the question, right, PSLE can do one. So you are supposed to score at least a 85%. That is a AL3 already. All right. That is a AL3. It's doable one. All right. And PSLE question is more towards a very real life one. Very real life application. They talk about going to supermarket, buy eggs. They talk about a bookshelf having books and all this. Right. So most of the time, right, if you really don't know, right, I need you to calm down and try to put yourself in the picture. You become the person. You become the person involved in the question. All right. So let's think. Go. Hello, Javan. What's up? All right. So children. All right. If you have any question, you want me to slow down anything, you can go to the chat and type down there. All right. I'll be able to see your chat from here. All right. If not, we'll be going through this 13 question as best as possible. Okay. And thank you so much for those who participated in the worksheet. Brian, Emma, Giselle, Gordon, Ping In, Raha, Mina, Victoria. All right, I saw your entry. All right, and I saw that some of you make mistakes here and there. That is perfectly okay for now. All right, during your PSLE, try to get rid of all these mistakes. All right, you can do it one. We still got time. All right, we are still doing the revision right now. Can? Okay? All right, and I know that some of you attended the science lesson just now. And later, you got English lesson. Some of you are totally exhausted, but pull through. All right, you can do it one. Okay, we try to make this lesson a little bit exciting a little bit. All right, so that you are not too bored and will not fall asleep. Can? All right, that's the reason why we need the students to turn on your camera if your camera is working. Hello, Raha. All right, so let's go. Hello, Emma. Okay, let's go. Let's look at question number 1 first. All right, those who have done your worksheet, thank you so much. Those who did not, next week, can you please go and try the questions? Okay? All right, so this is a very simple question, I would say. All right, it is from the booklet B. All right, booklet B means what? Booklet B from paper 1 means what? No calculator. All right, so let's be strict. Let's be strict. All right, so question that is from paper 1, we do not use the calculator. Okay? And I want to show you how I would do it. You got your own way. I know I got my own way. All right. And how I do it is looking at the question first. Obviously, duh, Mr. Ong. All right. So this person threw a ball into a hoop 30 times. All right. So this is the total number of time that this person threw the ball into the hoop. 1 point was scored. All right. When it passed through. All right. So I would say that if it goes in, it's a +1. So children, can you see what am I doing? I'm reading and I'm trying to summarize it a little bit by using very simple thing. In means +1 lah, right? 1 point was deducted. Alamak, if the ball did not. So if you out, opposite of in is out, right? All right, if it's out, it will be -1. Can you see? So that is the idea. Oh, this person, right, did a 25 throw, the first 25 throw. Okay. The ball passes through the hoop 20 times. Wow! So many information. Wow! Can you see or not? So in these 25 throws, what happened? Right, the ball passes through the hoop 20 times. In 20. And children, I always tell you to look at the other side of the story, right? Not boy means girl lah. Not woman means man lah. Not in means out lah. All right, so children, always look at two sides of the coin. There's always two sides to this coin one. All right, so if you have 25 throws, in 20 means out is 5 lah. Can you see or not? So there are information that you have to take out yourself one. This is an additional clue that you have to take out yourself, which is not difficult. You're supposed to look at the whole picture one. All right, not in means out lah. All right, not man means woman. Can? So it's always a opposite. You have to try to list out as many information as possible. Can? I haven't even read the question. So all these are what I would actually write out first before looking at the question. Look, what was this person's score from the first 25 throws? So happy. You know why? You know why? Because it's easy. Look, 20 in, 20 in means what? 20 times 1, right? Because every in, you get a plus 1, right? All right, so 20 in means it's a 20. 20, you got 20 points. Oh, yeah, I score out 5 times. 5 times means what? 5 times 1 also. Right, 5 times 1 is a 5. All right, it's a 5. All right, so you must understand that the outright is a minus. So I got 20 points from the in, but I got minus 5 points because of it going out. So answer is just a 15. 15 points. Can you understand, children? Again, right, it's not super difficult. It's doable. It's doable. All right, and most of the PSLE question, right, is what I call a bit of common sense. All right, but again, your common sense and my common sense different, because sometimes my common sense is because I got more experience than you. Then you can say that it's unfair lah. Right, but for you, try to what? Try to break it down. All right, try to summarize it a little bit. And worst come to worst, this person, you call it yourself. Call it Giselle. All right, Giselle throw a ball into the hoop 30 times. So you put yourself into the situation and you just do a visualization. If I do this, 25 throws, 20 in, means that I got 20 points, right? Hey, I missed 5 times, minus 5 lah, so it's 15 points. At least you get the 1 mark here. You secure the 1 mark here. Not difficult. At the end of 30 throws, remember this person did a 30 throws? All right, and now this person got 15 points, but they say at the end of the 30 throws, what happened? So there is a remaining of what? There's a remaining of how many throws? 5 throws that is not accounted for. Can you see not? So again, I haven't read out the question. I know already. There is a remaining of 5 throws. And inside this 5 throw, what happened? Oh, sorry. For the entire 30 throw, he scored a point of 18 points. Hey, now I already got 15 points already. So how to get 18 points? So 18 points at the end of the day minus the current 15 point is equal to 3 points. And these 3 points must come from where? It must come from the remaining 5 throws. Do you understand? That's how you break the question up. All right. Total 30 throws, I got 18 points. I already got 15, right? So the remaining 3 points must have come from the remaining 5 throws. How many times did the ball passes through the loop for her last 5 throws? OMG! The number is so small. Can handle. So how do you handle? I will do guess and check. Imagine the first throw is a in. In means what? Plus 1. Second throw, because only 5 throws, right? So I can do guess and check. No problem. And is guess and check allowed? Yes, it is allowed. It is allowed. All right, it is allowed. All right, so I throw first throw plus 1. Second throw, I plus 1. I got 2 points already. All right, third throw, I plus 1. I got 3 points already. Okay? Hey, but I still got 2 more throw, I still got 2 more throw to get the 3 points from here. All right, so I have to talk to myself a little bit. So maybe the 4th throw, I go in again. I get a plus 1. And the last throw, I got a out. Means it's a minus 1. Correct or not? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is a 3. Woohoo! My goodness. So again, don't even have to guess and check. Sometimes you can do all this calculation in your head already. Right, so PSLE question is like that one, whereby it is very application. It's very real life. Right? Sometimes you read from the exam paper, right? The past exam paper, very ridiculous one. Right? This person can run 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Wow! Can run so fast. A motorcycle then can travel 20 kilometers per hour, but this person can run so fast, right? But your PSLE question is actually very real life. Okay? So down here, what is the question? How many times did the person pass through the hoop for her last 5 throw? All right, so pass through means in. Total got 4 times. All right, so this question, right, shouldn't frighten you at all. It shouldn't. All right, it's a paper 1, booklet B question. All right, there can be part A and part B. Okay, so this whole thing is 2 marks. Okay, it is doable. It is doable. So you cannot afford to minus too many marks in your paper 1. If can, score perfect in your paper 1. If not, you only can minus a maximum of 3 marks only. Maybe your MCQ minus 1 mark, your booklet B minus 2 marks. That's the max. If you want to score a very good grade, right, above AL3, right, maybe you want to score AL2, AL1, right, you have to try to get close to perfection for your paper 1. All right. So against such question, don't need calculator, what? Can you use a bit of guess and check? Go ahead. Nobody laugh at you. Right. Once you get AL1, everybody will be what? Will be admiring your score. All right. Who cares what method you use? Can? All right. And you must understand that this portion of the booklet, right? Booklet B, right? Your teacher will not look at the working also. Right. That's why the teacher only mark the final answer down here. Okay. For paper 1. Paper 2, yes, they will look at the working. Okay. So down here, just try to secure your marks as fast as possible and as accurate as possible. Always try to summarize a little bit, understand the question, execute, you will get it. Oh, number 2. Mrs. Lim took home 120 eggs. So that is the total number of eggs that she want to bring back home. She want to take back 120 eggs. All right, so your objective is to have 120 eggs. So what happened? You have to look at the picture a bit, you know. Sometimes the picture, right, it actually gives you an idea. So, for example, you all go to NTUC, right? You all go to Sing Song, right? Or you all go to Cold Storage. You all buy eggs, right? Usually is in a pack of 10, right? Right? Usually it's in a pack of 10. So imagine if you are Mrs. Lim, right? You go to buy eggs and there's no promotion, there's no promotion, right? You want 120 eggs. How many pack of 10s must you buy? How many sets of 10 must you buy? Can you see or not? All right, so the egg, one set equal to 10 eggs. 1 set equal to 10 eggs. Means this is 1 set. Can I call this 1 set? All right, so 1 set equal to 10 eggs. I need to buy what? I need to buy 12 sets. Why? In order to get 120 eggs. This is the what? This is the normal situation. Normal without what? Without promotion. Without any sale. Understand or not? Okay, so you put yourself in the shoe. Right, I go to NTUC. I need to buy 120 eggs. Right, so 1 set consists of 10 eggs. I need to buy 12 sets, right? All right, so that is the normal situation. Then what happened? Maybe that day NTUC got this special promotion. Woo! All right, this special promotion say what? If you buy 10 eggs, you get 2 free, you know. Wow! So in a way, right? In a way, this offer, right? This offer, all right, buy 10, get 2 more free, So you get another 2 more, All right, so this promotion, right? 1 promotion. Can I call it 1 promotion? 1 promo. This 1 promo, I can get how many eggs? This 1 promo, I can get 10 plus 2, which is 12 eggs. Can you see that? All right, this promotion, 1 promotion, promo means promotion, All right, I can get 12 eggs. Again, this is a booklet B question. All right, you're working, you work it out for yourself good enough. Can? But again, what's my objective? I need 120 eggs. I need 120 eggs. So if I go for this promotion, if I go for this promo, 120 eggs. All right, how many sets must I buy? How many promo sets must I buy? Can you see? So you can ask yourself sometime, from 12, how do I get to 120? Times 10 lah. So if you do that here, you also need to times 10 over here. What is this called? This is actually called rate. Rate. All right. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. So I need to get 10 promo sets of eggs.